Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Got this 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It's in for some minor problems. I got a ABS light on and a traction control light on. Now let's take a look at this thing. It's just a typical soft top Wrangler. Y'all see that? Come from a used car lot. They're actually trying to sell this thing. Now it would be extremely hard for them to sell this thing with the ABS light on and the traction control light on. So what I'm gonna do first is plug in my diagnostic connector. Let's go in here and I'm gonna head over to my computer. Y'all know how I do. And let's pull up some information on this thing. Now as you can see, whoa, so what's going on? The ABS, there's a code in ABS, DTC, and I see code C1035. C1035, and that stands for right rear wheel speed comparative performance. Now you got to be careful with a code like that because naturally you're gonna automatically think it's a wheel speed sensor. Y'all know that each wheel has a wheel speed sensor on it. Okay, the computer, which is in this case the ABS module, has to have a way of knowing how fast each wheel is turning. That's how ABS operate. First of all, you got to know how fast the wheels are turning and if they're turning at all. But on a code like this, you really need to pay attention. What I say, right rear is on this side. You really need to pay attention to the actual mechanism that the sensor riding on. Okay, in some cases it's the axle itself, meaning the teeth, because that's a Hall effect sensor, that wheel speed sensor, and it sets, most of them sets inside of the steering knuckle. All right, so, and it reads off of, if you have front wheel drive car, normally there's tone wheels on the axle assembly. With a code like that, you really got to pay attention to the tone wheels and the ABS sensor, but really take a good look at the tone wheels, okay? Because you could have a problem with the signal to the ABS wheel speed sensor. All right, so I want to keep y'all on. I'm gonna write up a wheel speed sensor and get this thing in the air and check that those axles and the knuckles, make sure that the tone wheel is on securely and working properly. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.